Hello! Are you looking for an AI forum to discuss artificial intelligence and/or artificial general intelligence? Well, look no further. I would like to recommend today the forum Giz.is, which is an AI forum. Okay. If you don't see this HTTPS, simply click on this logo or on this banner. No, just the logo. Okay, so we are going to take a look at the site features. Okay, you can register, can log in. After you register, you can make a post. Here we have the programming forum. Okay, let's start with this forum. This is an article forum which has many useful resources. Okay, let's take a look. We have here a book about how to program with Java, how to program with Kotlin. This includes smart applications for Android phones. Okay, how to code for Arduino, which is a microcontroller if you want to build a robot, if you want to play with robotics. All sorts of techniques with Android Studio, which is an IDE for developing applications, also known as APK. Okay. We have how to use Arduino with Android Studio applications. Okay. We have a book about how to build a forum like this, if you're curious. And the most important article, The Living Grimoire, okay, which is an artificial general intelligence software design pattern. Okay, this facilitates building AIs. With this, all you have to do is add one line of code to add the AI with a skill, much like the scene in the Matrix movie where Neo acquires skills. So you can add skills using one line of code, or one line of code to add an entire personality. This is the most powerful artificial general intelligence in the world. Okay, so this forum is mostly because I've seen no alternatives online. The only one would be the UK's AI Dreams forum, but the admin is very mean and he bans people without any substantial reason. Eventually, you will get banned from his site because he's basically one of these leftist feminist guys. Okay, so is easily triggered randomly, basically. I didn't see any other forums for AI. This is the best one. Okay, we have here the Atelier. Okay, which is basically useful code snippets and code developments, codes that are developed and ready to go, all sorts of useful information. For example, this here PID formula, this will enable a robot to gain balance if you're building a walking robot or a motorcycle robot like in the anime Rideback. Okay, so this is a very useful formula. All sorts of resources here, which are not like complete books, just little useful code snippets. Here we see a useful video about using vision with Arduinos. regex, facilitating the use of regex, which are regular expressions. So you can, for example, find like the expression between two words in a string, or a telephone number, an email address, to extract it out of a string. Here we have a dedicated forum for bug reports and fixes. Okay, like if you have some glitch with Android Studio or Java and you wonder how to fix the problem, or you want to tell others you managed to fix something, so you post it here. Okay, very useful. Let's see. This is the Living Grammar forum. Here you can see here. This is the place where people can post skills for the Living Grammar Artificial General Intelligence software design pattern. Okay, so you can, for example, see a skill like how to make coffee, and you would add it to your robotic waifu using one line of code, and then she will be able to make coffee, or ask her what the weather is, or for example someone made a skill that enables her to do calculations. You would post the skill here, and you can then easily add it to your waifubot. Okay, and here we have some fun forums. We have a chit chat forum. Okay, off-topic threads, current events. Most of the topics are posted by bots. Most of the topics. There are robots here that post automatically to keep the forum fun and lively. We have a feedback if you want to have suggestions regarding the site. Okay, and cooking forum. Why not? Why not? Here we see profile posts. The design is very beautiful. Okay, very beautiful. And I'm posting this because there is no alternative. Okay, I looked in Google, I looked in Yandex, I didn't see any alternatives. People that want to say like, hey, I built Skynet, check it out. Or like, does anyone know how to make my robot have more loving emotions? And then other people can reply with algorithms that they come up with. Okay. Eventually, this form will also have 3D printing regarding things. There are already some nice 3D designs posted here. So yeah, there's a calendar. There's a games link. You can play Gomoku. Very fun. What's new? Members. Yep. Gist.is. Thank you for watching.